In today's digital world, having an online presence is essential as a means of putting your business on the map and reaching as many potential customers as possible. I'm Laura and I manage the digital strategy team here at ProfileTree. A 2023 survey reported that 73% of customers are willing to spend more with a brand that has complete transparency online, meaning that it is more important than ever to consider how you present your business online, whether that be through Google Maps, website, or social media. Creating a digital strategy can seem overwhelming. We help to demystify online tools for businesses, explaining the why, what, where, when, and how of digital marketing. We can help you on your journey of transforming your business across all aspects of digital strategy, including website design, development, and e-commerce, Google Maps or other map platforms, search engine optimization or SEO, social media, paid advertising tools such as Facebook ads and pay-per-click advertising, video marketing, and of course, AI tools to improve your productivity, marketing, and reduce costs. At ProfileTree, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach. We like to learn about you and what makes your business unique, developing a tailored strategy and action plan to help you navigate the digital landscape. Thanks to our successful internal brands, including Connolly Cove and Learning Mole, we know what works from experience and how to get the most out of the digital tools that are available to you. Whether your goal is to drive online sales, increase brand awareness, or generate leads from social media, we have the knowledge and expertise to help you get your business where you want it to be. Our team of skilled and passionate digital strategists will guide you and your colleagues step by step through the process, from helping you define your target audience to choosing the most effective digital platforms for your business. We create a comprehensive digital strategy and show you how to implement it within the day-to-day running of your business in order to get the best return on investment. We have experience delivering digital strategies and training all across the UK, Ireland, and Europe, and have worked with businesses from a huge range of industries: hospitality, tourism, finance, health, engineering, and many more. In the past 3 years, we have provided training to over 500 businesses in the Greater Belfast area alone, all with the aim of giving businesses the tools, expertise, and knowledge they need to be able to effect digital growth. Whether you're a small family-run company or a public organization, we can help you to build your brand online and bridge the gap between you and your potential customers. Our digital strategists strive to be industry experts by keeping up to date with digital marketing trends, changes, and new tools. So how do we help? Let's look at an example. The challenge: an e-commerce business with declining sales and a reduction in website traffic. Our solution? We created a strategy and provided digital training to not only recover the lost traction, but to turn the company into a true digital leader in their space. Over the course of 12 months, we have managed to support the business's in-house marketing team to rank for 5 times as many keywords on Google and increase organic traffic, as well as generate their most successful year ever of organic sales through the website. The company is now 100% converted to the power of digital. They've hired more staff to help implement and support their online strategy, and they have a clear path for further growth in year 2, where we will continue to support them and generate even better results. If you're ready to develop a full digital strategy, improve your digital skills, and reach new customers online, get in touch with us today.